Hi, today we're going to discuss how to download and install Wireshark. Wireshark is a network packet analyzer. This means that it can capture network packets, information that's transferred between two endpoints, and it can do analysis, interpretation of the protocols, and et cetera that are used. Wireshark is a de facto standard for network analysis tool, and it is used by network administrators to troubleshoot network problems. It can be used by network security engineers to examine security problems, etc. You can look at debugging protocol implementations if you're a developer, or you can even look at performance issues with some of the flexibilities that Wireshark presents. So with that, we're going to install the Wireshark protocol analyzer onto our Windows OS laptop. So here it shows the download. You go to the wireshark.org website with your browser, and then you download org, and we will do Windows Installer 64. This pops up a downloadable exe, and as you can see, I've already downloaded that, so we won't recopy that down. If I double click on this, then it prompts me to allow me to install. And then it will go and say you already, which I do have it installed. Would you like to uninstall it first? I will say no. And then it'll prompt you through several steps. It'll go through an agreement that you need to read, which you can say no to, and then it takes you to the next, ask for a donation, which would be nice. Then it shows you the components and the things that it's going to install and the space required. I think next, then it would show you some a start menu and a desk icon. I would include the icon if you're going to use that. And it also associates all of these different extensions for the Wireshark to be run. So after that, it designates a folder. And then the next would start the actual, it'll with some components. One is this is a protocol capture version that you would need to install. And then the next one is if you wanted to capture USB package, you could install that. After that, hit the install button, and then your installation will begin. We won't do that now, but once it's installed, you can go to your Windows tool, launch Wireshark, and then it will open, and then you will be set to use Wireshark. Thank you very much for listening, and hope this was helpful.